So I just proved to myself that I don't have to have an alarm to wake up at a reasonable time. I just woke up at 9 a.m. and luckily my laptop is outside because it's so beautiful out here. That it's a perfect temperature. It's like 80, and and God, we have such a beautiful little bio spaceship that we're floating around on in the universe right now. it's it's so it's so intelligently designed, um, so beautiful, and so embracing. Such a perfect little playground for humanity. Uh, I was talking the other day. This is this idea that was presented through Sacred Economics, which is a super sweet video. Is that yeah, humanity is still in its like very very young adolescent stage, where like kids when they're trying out things, they're breaking shit and they're like they are not intelligently going about anything, and they're using all these really inefficient methods and kind of taking advantage of all the things around them and not being responsible or paying attention to anything. um, and what's happening right now is that people are starting to be aware, take responsibility for the effects that they're having on people around them and the environment, inanimate objects. Um, but but what's cool is that like it's almost December right now, and it's maybe 70 degrees outside, and not that Austin is always such a cold place, but I feel like it was last year, and it's so green and the sky is so beautiful, and I wonder if our environment is responding to us as a race maturing and taking responsibility. Yeah, man. I need to. I don't know. I need to do something that's gonna make me not sneeze anymore. But yeah, I want. I know that our environment is a product of us, so our environment is a product of us. So it wants us to be happy. It wants to give us what we want, as well as it wants us. I mean, it wants to go through its cycles and stuff. I wonder how much of that we could affect. Love.